So in the previous video, we learned about the topic bold, italic, and underline. How can you do the bold? Bold means param. Mute karo. Bold means it will be take you the text slight darker. Then italics means it will be slant the text on the right side. Control I for the italics, Control B for the underline, and Control B for the bold, and Control U for the underline. We also learned that how can we do the make a text a bold, italic, or underline with the shortcut key also, with the symbol also. BIU is the symbol in the OpenOffice writer. Control B for the bold, Control I for the italic, Control U for the underline. जिसका नेटवर्क नहीं होगा उसको नहीं भी दिखाई देगा. फिर भी आपको सुनना है. I will be share the recorded video to you. नहीं दिखाई दे रहा, नहीं सुनाई दे रहा, मैं आपको रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो भेज दूंगी. Now, next topic we are going to learn, that is inserting objects in the document. जैसे कभी कभार क्या होता है, whenever you see such type of document, जब आप कोई document देखते हो, उसको effective बनाने के लिए क्या किया होता है, उसमें कुछ image add किए होते हैं, then कुछ pictures add किए होते हैं. Sometimes for example कोई article है कोई scientist के बारे में, जैसे कि कोई scientist के बारे में पूरा article दिया हुआ है, on the side the scientist photo is there, the inventions photos is there. So whenever the pictures, whenever the images, whenever the some of the objects added in the document, that is called insert object. Insert का मतलब होता है enter करना. Nishi, don't be unmute yourself. I will be not repeat you. I will be removed you next time. Last warning for my side. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? We already learned. We may have here the popular saying, a picture is a word of 1,000 words. Anyone can hear that one? जब आप कोई पिक्चर देखते हो ना, sometimes whenever you see the picture, you can understood कि ये पिक्चर में क्या है, किस तरह से. जैसे आपको मैं कोई गार्डन का इमेज बता रही हूँ, दिखा रही हूँ, तो आप clearly explain कर सकते हो. This is the image of garden. In that there are the some of the people are there, some of the old persons are there. There are those swings are there. So children are playing in there. Means whenever you see any kind of image, any picture, you can say a word about it. जब आप कोई picture देखते हो तो आपको समझ में आ जाता है ये इसका picture है. Whenever I show the picture of scientist, you will be told that if you know him, you can tell, yes ma'am, this is the picture of this one scientist. Pictures can be much more effective than the text while presenting information. जब भी कोई picture दिया होता है, that is a very good effective. तो अगर आपको डॉक्यूमेंट बनाना है, खुद का कुछ अच्छे से डॉक्यूमेंट बनाना है, लेटर बनाना है, तो आप उसके लिए पिक्चर को इंसर्ट कर सकते हो अपना डॉक्यूमेंट इफेक्टिव दिखाने के लिए. For example, the working of machine or a process can be easily explained by showing pictures instead of describing in words. Now you can see that I am showing you the words. मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, यहाँ पे एक टेक्स्ट दिखा रही हूँ कि ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. बस tell me, whenever I continuously speak, मैं जब continuously बोल रही हूँ, I will be not show you the practical. कंप्यूटर की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ बता रही हूँ कि इसमें ऐसा करना है, इसमें ऐसा करना है, इसमें ऐसा करना है. I will not show you the practical. Is it boring for you ना? जब मैं continuously 45 मिनट तक बोलूंगी तो आप भी थोड़े बोर हो जाओगे, मैम क्या कंटिन्यूअसली बोल रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिकल तो कुछ दिखा नहीं रहे. तो जब आप प्रैक्टिकल देखते हो, everyone are focused. Yes, ma'am will be what she will be doing, how will it will be doing. So whenever you show the image, that will be effective for you. Yes. Yes. Okay.
आपकी आवाज कट रही.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sometime what will be happen? We are meet through the internet, na, right? So network will be come and go. So that time my voice will be cutted to you. So what is the OpenOffice allow to you? OpenOffice Writer allow you to add objects such as pictures and various shapes in your document. We will be show how can we add it. We can add this during using the drawing toolbar. Okay, so this toolbar can be drawing toolbar का हमें use करना है. This toolbar symbol is this show and draw function. This toolbar can be opened by clicking on the show and draw function option. Please mute yourself. This is the show and draw function. Every student have to be remember the symbol of show and draw function. एग्जाम में आपको पूछ सकते हैं किसका फंक्शन है. तनिष, behave yourself. Whenever you click on the show and draw function, this type of horizontal line will be appear at the bottom of the OpenOffice Writer. First, we are going to add the gallery in the OpenOffice Writer document. What will we provide when first I am going to read it, then I will show the practical aid. The gallery provide a variety of pictures and sound that we can use to enhance our document. That is by default came in OpenOffice. OpenOffice Writer में ये by default आती है. आपको अपना खुद का कुछ ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Remember, you can, that is a by default. You don't have to be add anything using of that. First, step to insert the picture. Step 1, click on the gallery option in draw function toolbar.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Wait a moment.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
बेटा आप continuously क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
Ma'am, what is clear?
Words.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Ma'am, voice is not clear. Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Sound.
Have you done now? Can I speak if you allow me? If you allow me, can I speak? Okay, so I will be sure.
मैम आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं सुनाई दे रही है.
Okay, now I will be show that how can you add a picture in the OpenOffice. This is the text document. You have to be click on that. Wait a moment. So I will be show you that how can you insert a picture. Firstly, you have to be click on the show and draw
मैम आपकी
function.
आवाज बार-बार कट हो रही है.
बेटा नेटवर्क इश्यू हो
Yes,
सकता है.
ma'am.
Try to cooperate with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't be shout again and
आपकी आवाज
again.
बार बार कट हो रही है.
Now it will be not cutting as you are not unmuted your.
मैम किधर हो?
Okay. So here on the formatting toolbar there is a show and draw function. पर हम अगर आप अपने आप को बार बार अनम्यूट करना चाहते हो तो आप क्लास से लीव हो सकते हो. आई अलाउ यू. आई विल बी पुट योर अटेंडेंस. Okay, so this is the show and draw function. You can see on the bottom of the OpenOffice there is nothing to display, but whenever you click on that, you can appear, you can see the one toolbar, horizontal toolbar. You can see here there are the symbols. Such type of symbols are there. These are called the show and draw functions. These are called the show and draw function. Firstly, we are adding the pictures in the by default that is available in the OpenOffice Writer. जो by default हमारे OpenOffice Writer में available है. Firstly, we are going to add that one. So for that you can see here a symbol of gallery. आप गैलरी का सिंबल देख सकते हो टॉप में. You have to, whenever you click on that, there are some images in front of you. You can see that there are the different categories also. You can add the different things here. For example, whenever I double click on that, it will be appear what should be you have to be shown. Then you have to just drag and drop on the writer. You have to just drag and drop to the writer. Again, I'm doing it again. You have to use the mouse. Do the left click of mouse and your mouse to open up. बेटा आपको
आपकी आवाज बार-बार कट रही है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
पहली बात
तो भी हो रही.
हम इंटरनेट
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. मैम अगर उसको डिलीट करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे?
दिखा रही हूँ, सब कुछ दिखा रही हूँ, बट आप अपने आप को म्यूट रखोगे तब मैं दिखा पाऊंगी ना. कंटिन्यूअसली बोले जा रहे हो, मेरी आवाज डेफिनेटली कट नहीं हो रही होगी ना, तो भी कट हो जाएगी. क्योंकि जब कोई एक भी स्टूडेंट अनम्यूट रखता है तो ये या मेरी आवाज कट होके ही आएगी. आज बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है. कंटिन्यूअसली आप अनम्यूट करके बोल रहे मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं हो रहा. एक बोलता है तो उसके पीछे बहुत सारे बोलने लगते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू आर डूइंग दिस वन. Okay, so how can you, firstly you can see here I add a one woman photo here. Now आप देख सकते हो, it will come on the okay. Now if you want to minimize it, if you want to resize this, you can see the green handles. The green handles are used to resize the image. It will be whenever you go to the center, there are the 4 arrows are there. It is used to move the image. Whenever the 4 arrows are there, it is a use for move the image. Whenever there are two-sided arrow, white color arrow, that is for the resize the again. I am sorry for that. So the handles are used to resize the image. Now first we learned that how can you add a gallery. It's not necessary that you can only add a once. अगर आप दूसरे भी add करना चाहते हो साथ में, you can be add, just drag and drop it. Drag drop करोगे, that will be added to your document and you can be resized it. आप उसको resize भी कर सकते हो. You can move it also in your document where you want it. Using of that you will be moved it. Okay. Now, next thing we are learning, that is the shape. First, we are learning that if you want to enter the image, if you want to add the images in the open office, then you will be use the gallery. But whenever you add the shape, what is the meaning of shape? Square, rectangle, triangle, that is called the shape. So it will be also provide the variety of different shape and call out that we can use in the document. We can also text, add the text inside. We can be used to display the banners, labels, or the captions in the posters, flyers, or the comic strip. So let's firstly, you can see here that you can add the background, you can add the call out, and you can make a one type of comic strip using the shapes. Comic strip जो आप न्यूज़पेपर में रेगुलरली देखते हो, मैगजीन्स में देखते हो, that is called the comic strip. The demo is also given to you. You can be made it. First, we have learned the steps to insert the shapes. Click the required shape from the drawing toolbar and drag the cursor on the screen and add the shape in the document. Same process you have to do for the shape also. To add the text inside the shape, select the shape and start typing. So first, this is our document. I just again click on the gallery, so it will be removed from here. Now, you want to add the shape. You can see here the different shape available here. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो बहुत सारे shape available है. If you want to add the rectangle, you have to just draw. जैसे हम painting में करते थे वैसे ही करना है. जिस तरह से हम painting में करते थे, you have to select the symbol and draw it. Same process you have to be follow in the open office. Then for example, if you want to add the symbols, अगर आपको कोई symbol add करना है, symbol shape add करना है, आप देख सकते हो that are the such symbol shapes are available. For example, you want to take the smiley face, then you have to just draw it. जैसे हम करते थे MS Paint में पेंटिंग करने के लिए वैसे ही करना है. Now I want to add something, so you have to click on the T. You can see here the T that is used to add the text. You have to just click on that and you can write anything, whatever you want to write. In the shape, आपको shape में जो भी लिखना होगा आप लिख सकते हो. If you want to increase the size of the shape using the handles, you will be increase or decrease the size. Even you can move the shape also. You can add your choice shape. आप अपनी choice का shape add कर सकते हो. On the properties, you can see here, if you want to change the color, you can be, यहाँ से आप color change करना चाहते हो तो color आप change कर सकते हो. That is your choice. If you want to change it, you will be. तो हमारी रेगुलरली स्माइली आती है. Okay. Now, shape are added, pictures are added, gallery is added. Now it's time for the pictures. You want to add something that you have. जैसे आप कोई किसी के बारे में आर्टिकल लिख रहे हो और उसका पिक्चर आपने डाउनलोड किया हुआ, उसकी इमेज आपने डाउनलोड किया हुई है, तो अगर वो आपको ऐड करनी है तो what should you have to do? In addition to the pictures available in the gallery, writer also allow you to add pictures that you have created and save in your computer. जो आपके कंप्यूटर में होगा। जैसे कि आपको डॉक्यूमेंट में आपका खुद की इमेज रखनी हो, so you can allow to add picture in the OpenOffice Writer. Which step you have to follow? You have to click on the From File option from the drawing toolbar here. You have to remember the symbol. कौन सा सिंबल किसके लिए यूज होता है? दिस इज अ सिंबल ऑफ फ्रॉम फाइल, जिसमें आपको ट्राइंगल दिखेगा, स्क्वायर दिखेगा और सर्कल भी दिखेगा. दैट इज अ सिंबल ऑफ फ्रॉम फाइल. रिमेंबर. An insert picture dialog box appears from the where you can select the picture from your computer. Okay, whenever you click on this symbol, आपको दिखाएगा कि कहाँ से आपको पिक्चर सिलेक्ट करना है. आपने डेस्कटॉप पे सेव किया या किसी और जगह पे, तो वहां से आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. Locate the required picture and click the open button. Let's see it. Okay, यहाँ पे तो हमने बाय डिफॉल्ट जो था हमारे ओपन ऑफिस राइटर में वो हमने सिलेक्ट कर दिया है. नाउ आई वांट टू ऐड अ माय पिक्चर और that is available in my computer, जो मेरे कंप्यूटर में अवेलेबल पिक्चर्स है उसके लिए. You can see here the symbol of from file. You have to just click on that. Now you can select from the location. जैसे मेरे डेस्कटॉप पे है, so I will be select it and open it. Whenever you open it, I know that this is my picture and it will become it will be added in your document. आप उसको फिर resize करना चाहते हो, you can be able to resize it. आप उसको जिस तरह से move करना चाहते हो, you can allow to move it. Okay. Anyone notice whenever we send the circular, that is a symbol of Kodar logo is also there. So this is the way how can we add the logo in the document. You can also add your logo, your image in your document. Now I want to ask you the students, do you have a query? How can we add the pictures, gallery and the images in our computer from our side?
मैम
हाँ बोलो प्रांशी.
अगर हमको ये पिक्चर में कलर करना हो तो वो कौन सा ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करने का?
बेटा कलर हम नहीं कर सकते, वो बाय डिफॉल्ट जो होगा ये वही कलर हमें अवेलेबल मिलेंगे. ये तो ओपन ऑफिस राइटर की गैलरी है, हम इसमें कुछ चेंज नहीं कर सकते. बट वी कैन चेंज इन दिस शेप. हम शेप का कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं, हम उसके लिए नहीं कर सकते. हाँ बोलो.
मैम
बोलो.